Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Realme C51. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C51 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C51 settings section. After click over there and to scroll all the way down, and then you need to click here in this system tab, and then you will find here something say date and time. After click over date and time, we will see my phone date and time invisible, so I can't set manual date and time. If you decide to set manual date and time, you need to turn off this, and then you need to set whatever date or year you want. You can simply set that year, and then if you decide to set the change the time, you can easily change hour and clock, and you can make it here. Okay, now if I go back, we will see my phone is going to appear new date and time, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Realme C51. Now actually I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. What that does means, if you are in London and you went to Dubai, immediately whenever you reach in Dubai, whenever your phone is going to connect with that local network, your phone going to be appear that local time, which is kind of more useful. So if you want to do that, you need to turn on automatically date and time. So I'm going to again go in this Realme C51 settings section, and then I'm going to click here system, and I'm going to click here date and time, and then I'm going to turn on automatically date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Realme C51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.